Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best pizza stones on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Lodge Cast Iron Pizza Pan. Cast iron retains heat super well, so it can handle super high heat that'll provide you with some quick pizza. Plus, you can also use it to make eggs, bacon, and all of the other fun stuff that just tastes better in a pre-seasoned cast iron skillet. Features: 1 Lodge pre-seasoned 14-inch cast iron baking pan. Large handles for better control. Unparalleled heat retention and even heating. Pre-seasoned with 100% natural vegetable oil. Used to sear, bake, broil, fry, or grill. Use in the oven, on the stove, on the grill, or over a campfire. Great for induction cooktops. Number 2. Second best pick is Solido Baking Stone. While it may resemble other pizza stones from the top, what sets this baking stone apart is what's underneath the surface, specifically the spiral-shaped bottom that allows for more even airflow and heating. Features: perfect for pizza, bread, cookies. Through incredible extensive testing and trying, we know you'll get superb results every single time. Be ready to blow away your friends and family with awesome pizza. A match for your oven, barbecue, or grill. Easily beating every round pizza stone or pizza pan, this baking stone has a bigger surface area, yet still fits all standard ovens. Every bite is perfection. This exclusive heat spiral heats your Solido pizza stone faster and stores heat in the center. This means you'll cook the toppings in the middle just as deeply and flavorful as the ones on the edges. And yes, works for ready-made frozen pizza as well. The Solido cooking stone combines its unique heat spiral with beautifully crafted feet on the underside to keep the stone balanced, giving you superior grip and easy maneuverability. Number 3. Third best pick is Wilton Perfect Results Non-Stick Crisper. Do you like to hear an audible crunch when you bite into the crust of your pizza? Then go with this pan. The holes in the sheet make for the crispiest crust you can get. Features: ready, set, bake. Calling all crispy pizza lovers, this is the pizza pan for you. The perforated design on this Wilton pizza pan lets air flow through to give you a nice, crispy crust. Convenience and durability: the Wilton Crisper pizza pan is made of durable steel with perforated holes that lets air flow through. Side handles make it easy to go to and from the oven. Non-stick, durable premium non-stick coating. Our Wilton pizza pan allows your pizza to slide or pop out easily, making cleanup almost effortless. Non-stick bakeware sets are a must-have for busy cooks. Dishwasher safe, however, for best results, wash the Wilton pizza pan in warm, soapy water before first and after each use. Includes 1 pizza pan, dimensions, 14-inch diameter, 36 centimeters diameter. Number 4. Fourth best pick is Love This Kitchen Ultimate Pizza Stone for oven and amp, grill. What good is a crispy crust if the dough at the center of your pie is undercooked? This brand prides itself on even cooking thanks to a raised center core to prevent a soggy middle. Features: thick baking stones will not break due to temperature changes. This is designed to withstand up to 1,500 degrees and ensures worry-free cooking. You can count on this stone to cook delectably pizzas, bread, cookies, and more for years to come. The best pizza you've ever had should be baked on a craft stone with highly absorbent pores that extracts moisture out of the dough and simulates restaurant pizza ovens for that perfectly baked pie. Hot, melty, and amp, delicious. Our exclusive core convection technology concentrates heat in the core and projects it outwards to cook from the center out for an evenly cooked, delectably extra crispy crust with no soggy centers. Grill-safe clay stones at 0.83 inch thick. Our stone's superior engineering provides greater heat retention than thinner brands and is less prone to breakage. Bottom has a ledge, making it easier to handle it. This stone has been tested at high temperatures by our customers on Kamado Joe, Weber, Traeger, Big Green Egg, and many other commercial and amp, professional, charcoal or gas barbecue grills. Fits all standard ovens at least 17-inch deep. This patent-pending no-spill stopper, not available on any other pizza stone, prevents pie from sliding off the back when you remove it from the small stone or grill for a worry-free home pizza cooking experience. It's so easy to make pizza night a family tradition, using only the best materials. Number 5. Fifth best pick is Cuisinart 3-piece pizza grilling set. 13-inch Cuisinart pizza stone? Check. Stainless steel long-handled pizza peel to get your pie out of the oven? Check. Round pizza cutter for serving slices? Check. All you need is a little dough and you're good to go with this set. Features. Essential pizza tools. Set includes 13-inch pizza stone, folding pizza peel and pizza cutter. Pizza peel. Folding handle stainless pizza peel stores easily. Pizza wheel. The pizza wheel cutter easily slices through pies for quick cutting. Pizza stone. The 13-inch Cuisinart pizza stone retains heat extremely well, helping to create an evenly cooked and perfectly crispy crust. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.